Hello everyone, and today we are going to be learning 5 more words in Russian. So first word, there's going to be sort of just household items, specifically more related to the kitchen, words that we're going to be learning. First word is stol. Stol. Sounds a bit similar to stole in English. As in I stole something, you could remember it by saying I stole a stole. I stole a table. I don't know, you could figure out some way to memorize this, but stol is table. Moving on, we have word number 2, tarelka. Tarelka. Tarelka is plate, means plate. Tarelka is a plate. Next we have the word for cup, which is chashka. This is a quite nice sounding word, chashka, sort of relaxing, chashka. Next we have the word for glass, very similar to chashka in form, but not in written form, or in how it's said. Stakan. Stakan means a glass. So, stakan voda would mean a glass of water. Next we have the word for fork, which is vilka. Vilka. Which just means fork. Don't ask me why vilka means fork in Russian. I do not know, but vilka means fork. That's it. That's 5 new words that you just learned in Russian. Hopefully you can remember them all. If not, here's a quick refresher in reverse order of all the words that we just went over. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day. I will see you later. Goodbye.